Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you my secret to fixing over bleached closures and frontals. As you can see, this closure is definitely over bleached. Over bleached means when you leave bleach on your closure or frontal for too long and it bleeds into the roots of the hair, causing it to turn brown or blonde or whatever. So in this video I'm going to show you my secret to fixing it, so make sure you watch the whole thing to find out. So what I'm gonna do first is straighten the closure. I already straightened the rest of the hair, but before I actually fix the over bleached part itself, I am going to straighten the hair first and then part it where my friend wants it to be parted. I'm going to be using the pink polisher spray, and I love this spray because it gives your hair a little shine and also makes it soft too while you're flat ironing it or curling it.
But she got the guy where they send her money from London. She just see me like a Johnny just up. Monkey they walk it, baboon he just the top. Me I go chop all the washing, as long as you give me my passion. Baby make you know the rush me, I beg you make you treat me with caution. Leg over, my baby give me leg over. Hangover, baby she dey give me hangover. Hey, leg over, oh no make give me leg over. When you turn around, baby, you they make her confused. You do all like a Cameroon, mesmerize the boy and baby make her confused. Commando, you be commando, you the command the boy, you see overload. Yeah, I know fi stand alone. I must tell my guy before.
Okay, so the wig is fully straightened and shiny and sleeked. So I'm gonna part it in the middle because she wants a middle part, and I'm going to pluck it so it could be a cleaner part. When you're plucking, you want to make sure you don't over pluck your closure or frontal. And drumroll please, guys. The secret I use to fixing your over bleached frontal closure is the Kiss Quick Cover Root Touch Up, and I get it in the color natural dark brown. So it comes with like a mascara brush, and all I do is just brush it into the roots of the closure or frontal. And I make sure I don't get it onto lace, so the lace doesn't get dyed too. And you can already see the difference, y'all. Like, look at it. You can already see the difference. The closure looks brand new. Like, what over bleach happened? Nothing. It's a new closure. But basically, that's it, guys. But another alternative is using hair dye, like a dark brown hair dye or black hair dye, and getting a mascara brush and just brushing it in just like what I'm doing here. And all I'm doing is brushing all the roots on the closure.
Got that same time body same. It's your boy. But she got the guy where they send her money from London. She just see me like a Johnny just up. My monkey they walk it, baboon he just the top. Me I go chop all the washing, as long as you give me my passion.
Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. That's all I do to fix my closures and frontals. So all I'm gonna do is just finish sleeking the hair up. And if you need any wig inquiries, by me. You could check my hair Instagram page out at IfeSLAYS. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See you soon in my other videos.